Hello, namaste. So we are here in the main square of the village. Wow, my God, it's so beautiful temple.
So he is saying that this would last for 100, 150, 200 years.
We are Indian Vietnamese family. We vlog about traveling and unschooling. Please subscribe us for more fun.
We are going to the village, and there is the village. It's a very beautiful morning too. It's so beautiful. Sunshine, mountains. We can also see mountains here. Look at the snow mountains, and the village is here. And this is the snow mountain. It's a little shaky because I'm on a scooter. So look, my brother, my father and my sister are going on the road here, and we also are following them.
This road is quite difficult to go down on scooter. Be careful. We are here in the village. What village is this?
Rumsu. Oh, look at the vegetables.
No, I think so. That one is a huge one, and it might be that'll be cauliflower.
Yeah, it's not the season. It takes some time for flower to come. Okay, let's go.
It's so interesting because living in cities, people don't know where their food is coming from, how people live in other parts of the world, other parts of the country. But unschooling is giving our kids the opportunity to explore, to know where their food comes from, to know how people live, how are different cultures. And I think that's the most exciting part about unschooling. If you unschool and stay at one place, it's not going to change anything. But if you unschool and travel, that's also called world schooling in some terms. I think our kids will know a lot more about their world, and hopefully they will change things in the world that our generation failed to do.
Wow, so big. So it's the entrance of the village, right?
Yeah.
In Vietnam, most of the village, the entrance have two big trees, maybe Buddhist, like Buddha, what is it called? Bodhi trees or something in Vietnam. So I feel so cool to see two big trees here to protect the village. Hello, namaste.
ये किस लिए लेके जा रहे हो आप?
गाय के लिए.
हाँ, गाय के लिए, खाने के लिए. ये ऐसे ही आप जंगल से तोड़ के लाते हैं? अच्छा, रोज का रोज? अच्छा, बहुत हार्ड वर्क करती हो आप. Carrying the food for cow, and she does that every day. She goes to the jungle, just gets the food for cow. And this place is at 2,200 meters. That means weather is harsh, the winter is harsh, so people need to stock up things. So you'll see a lot of people stocking up dry grass. You'll see a lot of people stocking up wood. So that's how the life is. Life is hard here. So this opens twice a year, not once a year. Once in June, once in March.
Okay.
तो किस दिन पे खुलता है?
15 जून.
15 जून. और मार्च में
थोड़ा आगे पीछे हो जाता है.
कौन सा कोई त्योहार होता है?
यार होता है.
अच्छा.
Okay, so the temple only open twice per year?
Twice per year.
Yeah, for festival.
हाँ, festival. Okay, so we are going around the village, and you'll see a lot of these katkuni houses. So katkuni, as we talked about yesterday in the palace, katkuni is the architecture where there is a layer of wood and then layers of stones, and it lasts long, like 100 years maybe. So this must be very, very old.
What happened?
Leather. So leather slippers, belt, everything not allowed near the temple.
Okay. This is the temple?
Yeah.
Wow. So we are here in the main square of the village. You can see a lot of temple. That's the old temple. Another one. And the houses around. And the mountain there as well. It's time for breakfast, so people are cooking. I saw a stove here. It's so cool. And also logs as well for the winter.
This is Shubhnarayan temple again.
Wow, my God, it's so beautiful temple. But we can't enter, right?
Yeah.
It's closed and then open only for local. Oh, this temple is so nice, so beautiful.
Look at this. The carving.
Old house, and look at all the wooden art.
So there's a 150-year-old
This house.
Oh. So as you can see, they have stored wood here for winters so that they can use it for making fire, to cook, and also to feel warm.
Heat. Yeah, the roads here is quite difficult. I think especially during monsoon. It's slippery, but it is the village life. And they live below, or they stop below and live up. This kind of house.
I don't know yet.
Okay, please ask somebody. Because in the mountain, and I only know about Vietnam, they also have the pillar house. They build house on some pillars, and on the ground floor, they only keep stuff, cow and then wood like this.
तो आप इधर नीचे रहती हो या नीचे सब लकड़ी वगैरह? हाँ,
Same, right?
Yeah. और ऊपर रहती हो ना? Other places don't get enough sun like this does.
But I wonder how the wood can survive. Like stone is okay, but long time and monsoon, snow, everything. Why the wood are not spoiled?
Question for me also. Like 100 years and it lasts.
Maybe they have the special treatment.
Processing, yeah. Snow mountain, snow-capped mountain.
Wow. You haven't got breakfast yet, so on biscuits. I hope you enjoyed our journey, and if you enjoy it, please support us by subscribing, liking, commenting, sharing. Any support is appreciated. Well, there's new channels, and we're trying our best to make good videos for you. Wow, this is the vegetable, cauliflowers.
और आजकल जो नए घर बन रहे हैं,
Namaste जी.
बहुत जगह पे नए घर बन रहे हैं, तो आपको क्या लगता है उसके बारे में?
क्या लगा लकड़ी मिलती नहीं है, लकड़ी मिलता वैसे घर में लकड़ी मिलती नहीं है, बाड़ा कोई
Are you asking about the wood?
Yeah.
So
So
what happened?
So he is saying that this wood lasts for 100, 150, 200 years. But these days they don't get enough wood, and wood is expensive. That's why they're building the modern houses.
Okay.
Akan motor barabar akan.
Good day. Come quickly, Tontin. See, you look at that. The female flowers. Yesterday you looked so many big one. See? See the big one? Now you see the female. This female. This also female. Know that?
No, but then the male.
The male is doesn't have that. See, this is the male. This is the male, and this female flowers. Oh my God, pumpkin! I want to have pumpkin leaves.
Now let's grow pumpkin.
Yeah, let's grow pumpkin sometime. You look here, everything is grows so well, right? Why? You know why? It is cow dung. And the pumpkin grow on the top of cow dung, have a lot of nutrition. Okay? So people usually collect cow dung for what? And dry it, and it's become the plant food. This is the modern house, but it looks also beautiful. So this is a small village, but if you like the village life, you like to explore new things, it's a nice walk. And especially with kids, you can show them so many things that we can't have in the cities or anywhere. Because here is the Himalayan village with the special culture, special lifestyles, and yeah, that's how we learn, right? Even us, adults, we're learning every day.
So much.
Let's go. We go back to that wooden house, not wooden house. That's lady house, and we see what inside the house, the Himalayans. Wow, look at these views. Wow, wow, wow. Look at these views. Good morning, Ji. Is this your house? Is this house or temple? House. Your house? So beautiful here. Every day waking up with the stunning views. Oh, this is plum or peach?
Adu.
Adu. It's eatable? No? Can I have one? Okay, speak. Thank you so much. This is the old house, right?
Yes.
How many years is it?
100 years.
100 years. So your family live here?
Yes.
But you normally have to go down to buy food, or you have every food here?
Yeah.
You go down, or you grow everything here to eat?
Someone grow here and someone buy market.
Yeah. Look at this bricks. This is how they go to the house with one wooden lock. Oh, they have stairs down there as well, but I think it is a shortcut.
So you see, this is the blend of old and new, right? This side is new with bricks and cement. This side is old with wood and stones. So this is a very unique house because the owners made it 35-40 years ago. They made half in old traditional style and then the remaining part in modern style.
We just have used our left here, so bye. See you next time, and please support us, subscribe, like, comment, share. We are Nomadtuktuk. Bye bye.
Thank you for watching. So please subscribe us for more funny videos.